Hey, welcome to the channel. Here in the video, we will share the details for the WyzeCam Error Code 43. Before we proceed, we want to let you know that we used AI for the voiceover and some graphics. However, all the information shared has been manually researched and is not AI generated. As per our research, the error comes when users try to connect their WyzeCam, but the camera fails to function properly even after rebooting routers and reconnecting manually. According to our research, this error likely happens due to app issues, outdated versions, or temporary glitches with the Wyze app or device connection. To deal with the error, the first thing we suggest is to restart your phone and then check if you need to update the Wyze app. If an update is available, install it and check if this helps with the error. If the error still comes, then try logging out of the Wyze app. Once logged out, close the app completely, reopen it, and then log back in. And check for the error again. If the error still continues, then uninstall and reinstall the Wyze app. After reinstalling, log into your account and check if this resolves the error. That's all for the video. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. Thank you.